Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. So the question says threshold frequency nu naught is the minimum frequency which a proton must possess to eject an electron from a metal. It is different for different metals. When a photon of frequency 1 into 10 to the power 15 second inverse was allowed to hit a metal surface, an electron having 1.99988 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 joule of kinetic energy was emitted. Calculate the threshold frequency of this metal. Show that an electron will not be emitted if a photon with wavelength equal to 600 nanometers hits the metal surface. So the key concept over here is photoelectric effect. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास given क्या है? So जो given है that is the frequency of photon, that is nu is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 15 hertz or second inverse. Alright, and जो kinetic energy of electron है that is given as Ke equals 1.988 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule. So we know that in photoelectric effect the energy of incident radiation, that is h nu, is equal to work function, that is h nu naught, plus kinetic energy Ke. So ये जो h nu naught है, here nu naught is the threshold frequency. So अगर h nu naught से कम होगी then Ke की value 0 या फिर negative में होगी, that means no electron will be ejected. So h nu is equal to h nu naught plus Ke, and h nu naught is equal to h nu minus Ke, and अगर हम nu naught की value निकालें then nu naught will be h nu minus Ke divided by h. So h nu by h is सिर्फ nu, it is nu minus Ke divided by h. So हमें यहाँ पर nu naught की वैल्यू चाहिए, that is threshold frequency. So nu naught will be nu minus kinetic energy divided by h. h is Planck's constant. So nu की वैल्यू हमें पता है 10 to the power 15 hertz or 10 to the power 15 second inverse, we can write it second inverse, minus kinetic energy 1.988 into 10 to the power minus 9 joule divided by Planck's constant is 6.625 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. So इसकी value जो है that is 10 to the power 15 second inverse minus this is almost 0.3 multiplied by 10 to the power 15 second inverse. So इसकी अगर हम वैल्यू डिटरमाइन करें then यहाँ पर 10 to the power 15 10 to the power 15 कॉमन है. So here we have 1 minus 0.3 multiplied by 10 to the power 15 second inverse, or this is nu naught is equal to 1 minus 0.3 is 0.7. 0.7 multiplied by 10 to the power 15 second inverse, or we can write it like this, 7 into 10 to the power 14. So this is 7 into 10 to the power 14 second inverse. So ये है threshold frequency. अगर कोई भी frequency की value इससे कम हुई then that will not cause photoelectric effect. Now let us talk about the second photon. So photon की wavelength क्या है? Wavelength is given as 600 nanometer. So the wavelength is 600 nanometer, और अगर हम इसको meters में convert करें then this is 600 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 9 meter, or 6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Alright, so इसकी frequency क्या होगी? Frequency is speed of light divided by wavelength, and speed of light is a constant, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by the wavelength, that is 6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 7 meter. So 3 by 6 is 0.5. So this is 0.5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 8 minus 10 raised to the power 7. That means 10 raised to the power 8 plus 7, that is 15. This is second inverse. So we can write it like this: 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 14 second inverse. So ये है उसकी frequency. Now this frequency is less than the threshold frequency, that is equal to 7 into 10 to the power 14 second inverse. And as we know that if frequency is less than the threshold frequency, then there will be no ejection of electrons. Alright, so since यहाँ पर ये जो frequency है वो threshold frequency से कम है, इसीलिए कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन इजेक्ट नहीं होगी. Alright, this is the required answer and I hope you understood the concept well. Best of luck.